Oh, good morning. Meteorologist Joe Hansel with a Thursday morning edition of your national severe weather threats. I'll talk about the tropics very quickly. There are a few things we're watching out in the Atlantic, a few tropical waves out there with some chances of developing into a either depression or tropical storm in the middle of the ocean. Within the next 5 days, Omar, northeast of Bermuda, is post-tropical or tropical depression technically. Nana is down to a tropical storm. Made landfall in Belize very early this morning as a Cat 1 hurricane. Everything I just said will not have any threats to the United States. Now, there's quite a lot of colors out there. We're filling in the coloring book of watches, warnings, and advisories. Heat advisory in Tampa Bay, excessive heat warning near Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, flash flood watches in portions of the Ohio River Valley, fire weather watches in portions of Montana, Wyoming for Saturday, and heat wave. Watching out for that starting off today in some areas. Excessive heat watches and warnings for the likes of San Diego, Los Angeles, Phoenix, and Las Vegas. Stationary front is still doing what its name suggests, being stationary. More heavy rain and storms in similar areas today before this cold front finally kicks it out later this week. But until then, some heavy rain are possibilities. 1 to 2 inches with locally heavy amounts near Waco, Texas, and watching out for some flash flooding near Charleston, West Virginia. A few areas of severe weather are concerned, especially in the northeast United States, where Washington, D.C., up to an enhanced risk of severe weather, rank 3 out of 5 per se. There's a relatively higher potential for tornadic activity and damaging winds, along with some large hail. East of that front, before the second front to the northwest helps to kick it out. So be mindful about that. Cold front will work over the Great Lakes region as well. Risk of some choppy waves and rip currents for the end to the week out there. Look for some highs today. Phoenix 108, Miami near 93 today.